Hi, my pool heater uses a Zodiac Jandy R03662000 controller. I want to use this purely as a manual controller. How do I override the timer so it does not turn on automatically?
So if you're looking specifically to use your pool heater as a manual and having nothing to do with a controller, which is I assume is what you're saying, the easiest solution would be there's a 4-wire lead that is probably running from your control box, just running along. It only needs 2 of the wires, but it's typically a 4-wire that runs into the heater and connects to a terminal board, and each one of them is a little bit different. The easiest way to disengage the controller is to remove that wire, those 2 wires. If you go to your heater, and somewhere along the way you'll have where your electric goes into the heater, and then you'll also have a little feed wire, and it's typically almost looks like a telephone cable wire, just a small 2 or 4 wire cable that feeds in there. They use 2 of those wires. If you don't want your system to operate that, you remove 1 or both of those wires, or just snip it. Of course, if you snip it, not so easy to put back together. You're better off taking the panel of the heater off, and trying to find where those 2 wires connect. Remove those. But once you remove those, so here's the thing, is you need a jumper between those 2 terminals, because you want it to stay on at all time, so that you can then have manual control. If you just cut that wire, it'll never work, whether you play with it or not. But if you do remove those wires, you're gonna have to put a jumper wire between to replace the 2 wires. You just want a wire to jump between each of those 2 terminals. Once you do that, it's now fully in manual control, and you have control of the heater to kick on and off whenever you flip the switch.